So we're in building 46.
I guess. Yeah.
Building 46. So we're about to take a first look at our room number 45 in building 46.
Whoa, there's 2 double beds.
Okay, so let's have a look what we've got.
Oh look, there's a big fan there.
Yeah.
This is quite big.
Yeah, so we've got 2 double beds, TV, some drawers, chair. Maybe that's a heater there, so we're not going to be using that today. It's the view of our room. Connecting room, but obviously we've got to keep that door locked. Wardrobe area and safe here. Place to keep our cases on there. What we found out, the cases on the luggage express service don't actually arrive into the room until 5 o'clock. So as it's only 4 o'clock now, we're going to be waiting an hour before we get our luggage. But so we've got a shower, bath, hairdryer, tap with some soap there. There's the shower gel and shampoo. Yeah.
Actually, the bathroom's quite fancy.
Yeah, mirror there. And there's our room, so room 45 in building number 46. So on the ground floor, so we don't have to walk up any stairs, which is good. This is the only Disney hotel on property that doesn't have air conditioning, it's just got a fan. So that's why it's only rated 2-star, where the Hotel Cheyenne opposite is rated 3-star. When you're staying on site at the Santa Fe, you can use your room key to use the vending machine for a free hot drink every night. See what that one is.
Du coup, il est là, il y a un
Okay.
thé, mais je sais
And
pas.
I'll get one.